word called petite. Petite character. Petite character and male sterility. These are the two inheritance characters which they have mentioned. Okay. Now, petite character, this is basically related to yeast. Anyone know yeast biological name? No? Saccharomyces.
No, ma'am.
Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Why I am giving this biological name? Because in most of the fungicides, the when fungal infection happens, we use some fungicides. On that, the Saccharomycin or Saccharomyces term will be used. Okay, yeah, long name, but biological names will be like that only actually. Okay, so here in yeast, yes.
Now, what are these petite character?
Yeah, I'm explaining that. When in yeast, generally yeast will be grown in a medium. Medium here means not the English medium or Urdu medium. Medium here means the substance. Substance on which microorganisms can be grown is called medium. Okay, so the medium in which this Saccharomyces cerevisiae grows, it usually contains most of glucose. Okay, now some of the yeast cells, they cannot grow even if we provide more amount of glucose in a medium. That is a defect. See, usually the Saccharomyces, the yeast, will grow in a medium, that is a substance like glucose, very rapidly. But some of the yeast cells will show some defect that they cannot grow on normal medium. So that defect is because of the DNA default, especially the DNA in mitochondria. So that we call as petite character. This weird word petite is, here I'm saying there will be a medium, the substance in which microorganism grows. This medium will put in petri dishes. This is all related to microbiology. Okay. So, but you should know all these things. Okay. Petri dishes. Petri dishes are nothing but the glassware. If you have accessibility to biology lab, you have seen these dishes in biology lab in your school. When have you come across with these petri dishes? Have you seen the petri dishes? They'll be like this, the glass ones with a lid. Okay, yeah. So here the petite character, petite, they took the word from petri dish, petite. Okay. Now petite character, just understand, petite character is a defect. First point. Okay, it's a defect. What is this defect? This is a defect you will observe in yeast cell. Second point. Now, if this is a defect, normally what yeast cell will do? Yeast cells will grow in glucose medium. Normally they will grow rapidly in glucose medium. Medium is nothing but a substance in which yeast will grow. Okay. Now, this is the defect they got from mitochondrial DNA. So, all this is not at all related to nucleus. So, what it shows in which the medium will be taken for yeast growth. Okay. So far, this is the petite character. It's a bit which is related to cytoplasmic inheritance. Okay. Now, cytoplasmic inheritance, why they have used? Because of the mitochondrial DNA, which actually transfers the character from one yeast cell to another yeast cell. So, this is basically related to cytoplasmic inheritance, the first one. Then, male sterility. Clear with this petite character? Now, we'll take the male sterility. Male sterility is also cytoplasmic inheritance. We find male sterility basically in males. See, when you take a plant, we have pollen grains, the pollen, and the ovary, the male and female reproductive organs in plants. Okay, so here the pollen grains are the one which acts as the male gametes in plants. I hope you know all these things. Generally, every plant will have this male and female gametes. We are taking the example maize. In maize, what happens is some of the pollen grains, they cannot go and fertilize the ovary. That is basically called male sterility. So male sterility we find in maize. Because the gamete are involved, we'll get into a misconception that it is related to nuclear DNA. Okay, but it's not related to nuclear DNA. It's because of the mitochondrial DNA. We carry it under cytoplasmic inheritance. Okay, so cytoplasmic inheritance, two examples they have given: heredity character in Saccharomyces, that is yeast, and male sterility character in maize. Okay, this is related to the DNA structure which we'll find in mitochondria. In mitochondria, matrix we'll find. Okay, along with the DNA, in matrix we'll have ribosomes also. So generally, when we take ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis. So that we discussed in endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes. Yes, Ronak, we have question related to?
Male sterility.
Yes, male sterility. Yeah, sterility is nothing but the condition where fertilization cannot happen. Okay, fertilization is the first process where the male and female gametes has to fuse, isn't it? The ovary gives the female gamete and pollen are the male gamete. So when the female and male gamete they fuse, that is called fertilization. That is called fertility. So here, because of the cytoplasmic inheritance, in maize plant, male gametes, which are nothing but the pollens, will not be involved in fertility. So that we call as sterility. Got?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, this inheritance is given by their parents. Right?
No, not by parent. That's what. This inheritance is not given by their parent. This inheritance they'll get through cytoplasm. If a plant gets the maize, one of the maize crop gets cytoplasmic inheritance, it will go on. It will go on to the remaining offsprings. Okay?